everyone, it is another wonderful hot day in Austin, Texas. I'm Alec, this is another Revival Daily, as you've probably already figured that out. Yeah, this one's gonna be kind of chill. We're gonna talk about a bike that I was working on, a bike that Andy's working on, and of course we'll just see fun along the way. Yeah, let's go check it out. So, I'm sure all of you guys have like seen this area before, but here it is again. Bikes, there's bikes everywhere. Actually, we did a little cleaning up, so it's a little bit more spread out now. We just had so much in here, it was crazy. It was a little bit too crowded, which is not fun environment to work in. However, everything's beautiful, so it's all right. What up? So, anyways, this is the bike that I want to talk to you about. It is a Triumph Tracker. The engine is a T140V. It's a 750, but it's got a Trackmaster frame. So this bike was actually built by another guy, and it's really awesome. There were a couple things. It was brought to us to basically get running and all that good stuff. Like I said, this has been a while. It's been over a year, but we finished all that stuff. The client got it back, super happy. He rode it a lot, and then he started having problems with the tank, basically rattling too much. So, long story short, we kind of redesigned the hold-down points on the tank, and Andy welded those out. I ran some breather lines for it, some different ones, different routing, and then we've basically just been waiting for this tank to get back from paint since March, and we just got it back yesterday. Anyways, that's the way it goes with paint sometimes. So, got this back, and now the only thing I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the left exhaust to cure. We've been doing this thing where we've been coating our own exhaust now, and so obviously once you do that, you have to heat it up for a couple of hours at least, and then let it cure, and then go back together. So far we've had pretty good luck with coating our own exhaust, and it's been working out pretty good. Anyways, hey, look at Ty. Hi, Ty. Hi. Ty's working on a Brough Superior. If you know what that is, then you know what's up. We've got 3 of them here, actually. Boom, boom, boom. Ted!
Boom.
Let's go talk to Andy. Please. Andy James Dio.
Oh God, don't scare me like that.
Sorry. Andy James Dio. What up, dude?
What is up?
What are you making? Whoa. What are you making? Yeah. Dust.
I'm working on this oil tank for a tracker bike.
Ooh, another tracker day.
It is.
You can show him your Geo tracker later. Go over that thing.
I wish I had a Geo tracker.
I don't know. Are you a Geo tracker guy or a Suzuki Samurai guy?
Neither.
I mean, if you had to choose.
A Suzu Via Cross.
You had to choose.
Nerd out on that shit.
Let us know what you'd choose, tracker or Samurai. I'm gonna go with Samurai just because it sounds cooler. Anyways, one time, dude, I got a funny story. This will be brief. Remember that F100 I used to have, the 58? Uh-huh. So, no matter what you put on Craigslist, no matter how cool it is or how uncool it is, somebody's always want to trade you something stupid.
So wait, an AK-47.
Yeah,
a canoe. Rigged to full auto with the serial numbers ground off.
Exactly, and an old baseball glove. No, this guy wanted to know.
47 pit bulls.
Exactly, that might be kind of cool. This guy emailed me about wanting to trade for his Suzuki Samurai. And he was like, and I was like, no thanks. He's like, but wait, you gotta see it. So he sent me a picture, and it was extremely like 4x4'd out looking, although it wasn't. Yeah. And so I just sent him a picture in response of an actual like samurai guy from like old school picture, and I never heard from him again. Sorry, dude.
Sweet story.
Yeah, that's all.
Speaking of Joe Dirt, I don't know if you saw it, but there's a 69 El Camino. Ooh. On a 4-wheel drive Blazer chassis. On
really?
Right now.
How much? Like $4,500?
$4,500.
That's, yeah, I knew it.
I think you should sell one of your cars and get that.
That's the last thing I need is an El Camino.
Yeah.
Unless it's like a early one. Those are cool.
69, dude.
Nah, dude. 59, man.
So, you want to talk about this thing?
I guess.
I mean,
we can talk about Craigslist all day.
It's not very exciting. We have a client that shipped us an oil tank, an oil bag, if you will, if you're a Harley person. This is for a flat track race bike with a Rotax motor. And there was some issues with this tank. So we're actually fabricating a new one from scratch. I'm about halfway through that right now. So you can see I've done a bunch of pattern pieces out of cardboard, basically a full mock-up. You tape all these together in a really special secret way, and it you know, makes a cardboard oil tank. And then from that, been working on shaping all the panels. This is the bottom half. You can see, you put it next to it, creates that section. And this piece eventually creates the top half. In other news, you saw, I've got a new motor for my Triumph.
Yeah. Something happened with Andy's Triumph motor. Y'all have seen it sitting in the corner over there, the Tiger. What year is that thing?
08?
Yeah.
Something like that.
It's about to get new life.
Yeah, maybe it'll be good for another 25,000 miles.
We'll see. Are you stoked?
Yes, and I'm stoked. I've been missing that bike.
When do you think you're gonna put it in? I know it still needs a little bit more work, but.
Yeah, I think Doc is gonna replace the cam chain and the guides and do a valve check on it before it goes in, because it's much easier to do that out of the bike than it is in.
And when are you painting it fluorescent green?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's right. We should take a poll. What color should Andy paint his pole engine?
That sounds like a terrible poll.
All right. Thanks, Andy.
You're welcome.
You have a good day.
No, you have a good day.
It's Friday, man.
It is Friday.
I don't know what that means, but I'm out of here. I quit.
Good riddance. All right, go away, nerds.
I'm waiting. I wasn't really going to quit. Not yet, anyways. Let's talk to Chris Davis, shop manager. Shop manager, Revival Cycles. You guys haven't really talked with Chris. But fortunately, I talk with Chris all the time, or else I wouldn't know what the hell's going on. Hi, Chris.
Hey, Alec.
Chris is working on one of the Brough Superiors, and fun fact, Chris knows more about Brough Superiors than most people in the world, which is pretty cool.
That's not saying much.
That's what I mean. No. Don't sell yourself short, Chris. What are you doing?
So this is a 1925 Brough Superior SS80. This is a bike that Revival Cycles is getting ready to ride on the 2018 motorcycle Cannonball.
Yeah.
Right now, Stefan spent a lot of time machining some pretty cool bits for the Kickstarter, and Andy has reshaped a new Kickstarter for this bike. It's a common failure point.
Yeah, we've seen these. I talked to Andy about those in one of the dailies. We showed the before and then the after, and then like the whole process of that. So that's actually what it looks like on the bike.
Yeah, so we've been doing some testing on this bike. Kickstarter's working great. Right now, Ty is working on making a new Kickstarter return stop. This isn't it, this is an old broken piece. But just a stop to keep the Kickstarter from over-rotating and getting it into a position where it won't retract, like right here.
Oh yeah.
So there's an internal lock to keep the Kickstarter from coming back. And right here, it obviously interferes with the brake.
Yeah.
So we've got to take the Kickstarter off the motorcycle, rotate everything around, and start over.
Oh, so that's what you do once it locks up.
Once it locks up, Kickstarter has to come back off.
Man.
Rotate the shaft and reinstall it.
Wow.
So we don't want to do that anymore.
How do you like that heel brake?
It's terrible.
Awesome.
Yeah, really not user intuitive. I think this is the only bike I've ever seen with a heel brake.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite, the 80 or the 100?
I haven't ridden the 100 yet. So far, I like this one best.
This one's the best. This is a very not so common bike. So take it in, internet. Thanks, Chris.
Yeah, thanks, Alec.
Man, I think that's it for today. We gotta end on a Brough Superior, right? We're not gonna end with, hi, Ted. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. That's all you need to do. You don't even have to watch it, just like it, subscribe, and comment. You don't have to watch it again. Just leave it alone. Thanks. Bye-bye.